USA, ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta bọ̀mọ̀. USA, 24 percent one appear say USA, ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta bọ̀mọ̀ lẹ́kì. USA, yes. USA 24 hours, 24 gig. Má bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní màrọ̀, 24 bits wà tọ̀, ọmọ pé àwọn.
So my correct people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sweet Mothers Gist TV. Una know say as it dey hot as it dey be, na so I take dey bring am for una my correct people. Una too much show. Yes, so celebration time my people. Yes, na Mama OKH Azugbene na come out to this. Come dey suburb. They happy, they celebrate 24 bits, say 24 bits nama USA, 24 bits nama USA. Yes, so 24 bits. Thanks so much for the help and your support wey you dey give Edo people. The surprising things wey you dey do for our land, Edo land. You too much, 24 bits. Mama OKH Azugbene come out today. Come appreciate you 24 bits say you do well wey be say you come take dey bring our Edo artists, our talented mama and papas dey come. Oh my God, this is so amazing my people. He say you do well when you take bring the Gbeyi of Yaon come back this time again. Say you don for do am before and you come still do am again now. He say you too much and you come still do another one bring papa, our papa yo, our papa yo, that is Osasuyi West. Oh my God, that one na another funny Edo artist again. Wey be say if he talk some things for drama, you go burst laugh. If you dey vex before, e go dey make you dey happy, dey sobobotibo. Yes, so and another of our sister again, wey be say she go dey act film, she no dey laugh o, and that thing wey she dey do, dey really dey make person dey laugh sef, you dey roll for ground. That is our mama Eunice Omoregie. E come still bring am come 24 BT. Amonomohin wese we give yezo ese numeru o ese o erioka ijimage. Mama OKH Azugbene ni maya enye mama no kase do. Yes, so my people, if una never hear this gbedu, oh my God, na be say una dey miss. Na make I dey tell una make una always dey subscribe to this my channel. That is Sweet Mother TV, Omiemie TV, Omiemie channel. Yes, so if you never hit that red button, may you still dey hit am. May you take support us for this channel. All the new updates wey be say e dey waka kurukere for all the old media. As e dey land gidigba, I go dey hammer am for now for this my channel. Yes, so na as e be, na so we take dey talk am for this channel. My fian buy, my fian evil. Yes, so my people, I'm so happy. I'm so super excited today when I see say this our mama come still come out. Una know say that time wey the Gbeyi of Yaon first come, na so e come still come out with this band wey take the man gbudu as Yoruba people take dey play the band. And this our mama, e come dey sweet me just the way she take dey sing follow, she take dey happy, she take dey jolly follow. Mommy OKH, you too much. Mommy OKH, yeah. We are so proud of you, mommy, because you dey happy for people wey be say e still come this side. You go still come one day, Mama OKH, because this trip wey be say the rest people come, so the Osasuyi West and our sister Eunice Omoregie come. Me think say you go come, Mama OKH. I know say mani mere waya vere ivye do no go me waya gigbovo aro wano ma we so bore visa na oga we so wa bo ma we 24 bits no tima oka we dey oga ye we gbe we ni ma o ma hia oga so wa ya bo ivye do ni mo se waya we se wa we se. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share as well. I appreciate every one of you, my returnees. God bless you all. Bye bye.